Have you ever wondered what secrets Mars, our neighboring planet, holds within its dusty, red surface? As we sit here on Earth, a mere 140 million miles away, an otherworldly exploration is taking place. On the barren, rusty terrain of Mars, rovers from Earth are diligently at work, their tireless efforts dedicated to unearthing the mysteries of the red planet. One of these tireless explorers is NASA's Perseverance rover. Launched in July of 2020, Perseverance's mission is to seek out signs of past microbial life and collect samples that may one day be returned to Earth. Its landing site, Jezero Crater, is believed to have once been a lake, and it's here that Perseverance is looking for evidence of ancient life. Perseverance isn't alone in its quest. The European Space Agency, or ESA, has its own Martian emissary, the ExoMars rover, named Rosalind Franklin after the pioneering DNA scientist. This rover has a similar mission to Perseverance. It's equipped with a drill capable of reaching 2 meters into the Martian soil, sampling layers untouched for billions of years, potentially preserving traces of life, if any ever existed. The driving force behind these missions is the tantalizing prospect of finding signs of past or even present life on Mars. You see, Mars and Earth are siblings, born from the same materials around the same time. If life could emerge and thrive here on Earth, could it not have done the same on Mars? Yet, despite their similarities, Mars and Earth took divergent paths. Earth bloomed into a vibrant, life-sustaining world, while Mars became a desolate, seemingly lifeless planet. The question then arises, why? What happened to our planetary sibling? These are the questions that NASA's Perseverance and the ESA's ExoMars seek to answer. As rovers continue to traverse the Martian landscape, we inch closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? As we delve deeper into the secrets of Mars, we may not only discover the history of the red planet, but also uncover clues about our own existence and the potential for life beyond our home planet. But Mars isn't the only celestial body we have set our eyes on. Remember the moon? Yes, that same silvery orb that has been a constant companion to our planet throughout its history is once again the focus of our space exploration efforts. Enter NASA's Artemis program. Its ambitious goal? To return humans to the moon and establish sustainable lunar exploration by the mid-2020s. It's no small task, but then again, we've never been ones to shy away from a challenge. Artemis is not just about setting foot on the moon again, it's about setting the stage for humanity's future in space. It's about learning how to live and work on another world, using the moon as a stepping stone for further space exploration. And it's about inspiring the next generation of explorers, scientists, and dreamers. The Artemis program is a 3-phase initiative. Artemis I will be an uncrewed flight test. Artemis II will carry a crew around the moon, but not land, and Artemis III will land astronauts on the moon's south pole. It's an exciting and methodical process, one that ensures the safety and success of our lunar pioneers. And let's not forget about the Lunar Gateway. This small, spaceship-like outpost will orbit the moon, providing living quarters for astronauts, a lab for science and research, and ports for visiting spacecraft. It's essentially a mini space station, bustling with activity and serving as a critical component of Artemis. The Artemis program is making waves, and for good reason. It's a testament to human ingenuity and determination. It's a beacon of hope and an emblem of our ceaseless yearning to explore the unknown. So as we gear up for this exciting new chapter of lunar exploration, it's important to remember that we're not just revisiting our past. We're using it as a launching pad, as a point of departure for even more ambitious journeys. As we prepare to relaunch lunar exploration, we are not just revisiting our past, but shaping our future in space. While government agencies lead the way, private companies aren't far behind in the race to space. Indeed, the dawn of commercial space travel has arrived, and it's revolutionizing our relationship with the cosmos. Let's talk about some of the trailblazers. SpaceX, for instance, has been making headlines with their reusable rockets and ambitious plans for a city on Mars. Their founder, Elon Musk, believes that making life multiplanetary is crucial for the survival of humanity. With their Dragon spacecraft already ferrying astronauts to and from the International Space Station, SpaceX's vision seems closer to reality than ever before. Then there's Blue Origin, founded by another tech titan, Jeff Bezos. His vision is to see millions of people living and working in space. Blue Origin's New Shepard suborbital vehicle has already made several successful flights, And their larger New Glenn rocket, currently under development, promises to be a game-changer in orbital launches. And let's not forget Virgin Galactic, the brainchild of Richard Branson. They're aiming to make space tourism a reality. Their Spaceship Two vehicle, designed for suborbital space tourism, has already taken a handful of private citizens to the edge of space, offering them a glimpse of our beautiful blue planet from an extraordinary vantage point. But it's not just about tourism. These private companies are also planning missions beyond Earth, potentially opening up new opportunities for scientific research, resource extraction, and even colonization. The Moon, asteroids, Mars, they're all on the agenda. This rise of commercial spaceflight has brought space exploration closer to the public. It's sparking interest and excitement, and it's opening up a world, or rather a universe of possibilities. Imagine looking up at the night sky and knowing that someday soon you could be among the stars, experiencing the awe and wonder of space firsthand. As space travel becomes more accessible, we are on the verge of a new era where the stars are not just for professional astronauts but for anyone with a dream. But why limit ourselves to our own solar system when a universe of possibilities awaits? As we venture beyond our celestial neighborhood, we find ourselves in the realm of exoplanets. These alien worlds, orbiting stars light years away from our own, hold the tantalizing prospect of life beyond Earth. In the past few decades, we've discovered thousands of these exoplanets. Each new find fuels our curiosity and stokes the fires of speculation. Could there be other Earth-like worlds out there? Could these distant planets host conditions suitable for life as we know it? Or perhaps, life as we don't know it? Our quest to answer these questions has led to groundbreaking exploration efforts. Take, for instance, the Kepler mission. Launched by NASA, this space observatory spent 9 years in deep space, steadfastly scanning a slice of the sky. Its mission, to detect and study planets and other star systems. And study it did. Kepler discovered over 2,000 confirmed exoplanets, some of which bear striking similarities to our home planet. Yet the search doesn't stop with Kepler. The baton has been passed on to the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS for short. This mission, also helmed by NASA, is currently surveying the brightest stars near Earth for 2 years across the entire sky. TESS's objective is to find planets ranging from Earth-sized to gas giants, orbiting a wide range of stellar types and in various orbital regimes. The hunt for exoplanets is a testament to our enduring fascination with the cosmos. It's a quest driven by our innate curiosity, our thirst for knowledge, and our longing to understand our place in the universe. And who knows, as we continue to explore, we might uncover a world that echoes with the familiar, a world with blue skies, verdant forests, and vast oceans, a world teeming with life. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we might just stumble upon a world that's not too different from our own. Imagine a tiny spacecraft, no bigger than a postage stamp, traveling to nearby star systems at a fraction of the speed of light. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Yet, this is the audacious goal of innovative ventures like Breakthrough Starshot. Breakthrough Starshot, a project of the Breakthrough Initiatives, is set on making this seemingly impossible dream a reality. This ambitious endeavor aims to create a fleet of ultralight nanocrafts propelled by a beam of light, to explore the universe beyond our solar system. These tiny spacecraft, equipped with cameras, navigation, and communication equipment, would be accelerated to 20% of the speed of light by a massive array of ground-based lasers. This means they could reach the Alpha Centauri star system, the closest to ours, in just over 20 years. That's a journey that would take tens of thousands of years with current propulsion technologies. So, why undertake such a colossal task? The answer lies in our innate curiosity and the unquenchable thirst for knowledge. As we gaze at the night sky, we can't help but wonder what lies beyond our reach. Are we alone in this vast universe? Or are there other forms of life out there? Can we ever find a second home among the stars? Breakthrough Starshot is more than just a technological marvel. It's a testament to human ingenuity and resolve. It embodies our desire to push the boundaries of what's possible, to venture into the unknown, and ultimately, to understand our place in the cosmos. However, it's important to remember that such a mission is fraught with challenges. The immense distances, the hostile environment of space, and the tiny size of the nanocraft all pose significant hurdles. Yet these obstacles do not diminish our spirit of exploration, they only fuel it. As we stand on the precipice of interstellar exploration, we are not just pushing our boundaries, but redefining what's possible.